Hey friends, if Windows Defender start actions are not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So first of all, disable third party security software. And how would you do that? So here's the thing. If any third party security software is installed on your system, then that will interfere with the existing Windows Defender. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps in the right pane. Now scroll down and search for any third party security software that you might have installed. Now I don't install these software products, so I'll show it on some different app. Click on the three dots associated with it and uninstall it. Next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now, sfc space forward slash scan now, and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. So these are the two main solutions. I think that the first one is the one which would solve the problem in 80 to 85% cases. SFC scan now, well, that is a compulsory step. Now one more thing, maybe, just maybe, you might have made some changes to your system, or a Windows update might have pushed some changes to the system which would have corrupted it. So in that case, a system restore can be very helpful. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Okay, and we'll have to set to system protection. So you have to do this first. You'll have to click on turn on system protection, apply, okay, create, and then create a recovery point. After creating a recovery point, you will be able to restore it. So I'll show you the system restore process once this is done. Okay, system restore point has been created. Now click on OK. Click on open system restore. This is to be done at a later stage. Click on next, choose a good restore point, next, finish, and then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.